Hello, in front of me I've got Clair Obscur. In this video I'll show you how to upgrade expedition resources. In the beginning, finish the first act and go to your camp. In camp, find curator and talk to him. Before, go to your inventory and make sure you've got Color of Lumina to increase Lumina points of each character, Shape of Heart to upgrade Healing Tint, and there are also two more quest items we can use to upgrade resources. Shape of Energy and Shape of Light. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.